Hello everyone. Uh, we are going to discuss today about Lucas number or Lucas series. So it is also like a Fibonacci series only. It is like a complementary like Fibonacci series. How it starts? It is actually it starts from 2 and 1. So the starting two numbers are fixed. That is 2 and 1. So we have to develop this program with the help of C++ language. So obviously the structure of the program everyone know. I hope everyone know. We need to include the header files and namespace and the main program with the return type. So since it is return type, I have to mention return 0. Okay. So return 0. So now we will start with the program. So Lucas series, I need few variables. One is to store uh, the size of the series. So that is n. I will store it as n. And next, so since it is something like operations are repeatedly I have to do. That is Lucas series is something first two numbers are 2 and 1 if you take. Then I have to add 2 and 1. So third number will be 3. Then 3 and 1 will be added. Then fourth number will be 4. Next fifth number will be 4 plus 3. Like that it goes. Again, if I write, so Lucas series, this is how, I hope you are uh, um, tracing with the cursor point here. First number 2, second number 1, and next 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, like that it goes on. Okay. So in that case, it is like addition operations repeatedly I am doing. I need one incremental variable. So I am using I. And next, T, the series, first two numbers we all know, that is 2. I will initialize the first only. Then T2, T2 will be the 1. Okay, so that is the 1. I hope these things are sufficient. We need few more variable and we will declare as it is. This is at this point of view. At the point of this time, I need only this many variables. And next, I will display for the user to print or to enter the size of the series. Uh, sorry. Uh, Enter the size of the series where he will enter values for the uh, enter values for what n value. So I have to take that from the keyword. So C in it is okay. In beauty of this compiler, it is suggesting me how it should take the values n. So I have declared it n in the beginning. So that's done. N I am taking. Okay. So next, if I take, I need to compare that is that value is n is equal to 1. Okay. Is the n is equal to what is the value of n? Based on that, I have to tell that what it should display. So I will right now if n is equal to if n is equal to so 1, so then what it will print? It has to print T2. So I mean T1. T1 it will print T1 and del. Okay. So next, if n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, then Cout will be 2, I mean that is T1 and L, T2. So that is the two number it is going to display. If it is more than that, then obviously what I'm supposed to do is, I mean, if it is greater than 2, so the conditions will be like else if n greater than 2, n greater than 2. So what it should do? It should keep on add the numbers up to n minus 1. So I will be using for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Okay. So now inside for loop, so now I have to do the operation like T1 plus T2. So where I will store, that is the new variable. So new variable I need Tn is equal to T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2. So now you have observed that one new variable I am using right now. So I have to declare that Tn. Okay, Tn is equal to T1 plus T2. Next, what I will do? Cout, I have to display Tn, okay, Tn I will display, that is in the for loop, and okay, and next I have to swap, okay, so T1 is equal to T2 and T2 is equal to Tn, okay, so that is the swapping is done. So that is else if part. We'll check this code, is that working or not, or maybe if any presentation like the representation issues are there, that we will change. Okay, so I'm going to run this code. I'm using online code, and also these things are taken, values are taken from include help website. I have found it interesting, so I have taken it from. There was an error, instead of comma I have put semicolon. Okay, it is asking me to enter the series, so I will put 1, so 1 is 2. Once again, one more test cases I am going to check. So I will enter n value 2. So now 2 and 1 it is displaying. Next again I will check the series more than 2. 3 I will enter. So 3 if I enter, so then it is having some, it is not printing, actually it is printing 2 and it is printing 3. 3 is first time values of, but 2 and 1 is not printing, there is an issues. So what changes we have to do is, it should print that the 2 value 1 and 2. So how I will do is, I will print here first T1 I will print and L, okay. So next T2 I will print, T1 and T2, okay. Then Tn and L, after that Tn. So we will check it now, what happens exactly now if I execute this. Running I'm running the code. So I will give 3. 3 means actually it should print 2 and 1 and 3. 3 after that it should print 4. So there was an issue, so it is not running up to the what we expected. So there is an issue. So, what changes we can make? What changes we can make is our 2 numbers extra it is printing. After 3 it should print. It should stop actually. So there was an issues with the for loop. Hope you understand there is a issues with the for loop. So it is printing up to 4. So I don't want it should go up to 4. What changes I will do is I will change this the n minus 1 instead of that n minus 2. Instead of that I'm changing to n minus 2 instead of n minus 1 because it is printing 2 extra numbers. 3 if I give, now it is printing 2, 1, 3. So we will check one more test cases. I will give value 4. 4 means it should 2, 1, 3, 4 it should print. Again there is an issue. It is printing after that 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. Okay. So again it is printing repeatedly that 1 and 3. Actually it should be 2, 1, 3, 4. Still it is having some issues. So what is that issue is I am supposed to print. So I hope you got these issues. Okay. I hope you got these issues. What is that? It is printing repeatedly. It is printing repeatedly that 1 and 3. We don't want that 1 and 3 to be repeated. So what I will do is I will keep these strings T1 and T2. I want it to be printed outside the loop. Okay. So I will remove that T1 and T2 print statement. I will keep it in outside else if part. Sorry, it's over. See out, and so now it is printing 2, 1, 3, 4. We will go with the few more series because step by step we are coming 1, 1. This is how we have to change the program by checking this. We cannot, we should not expect that always one step we should be correct everything. So right now 5 numbers. I hope this is how you have to trace and understand the code, and you have to change accordingly or you have to modify this accordingly. So this is how we can prepare ourselves for best programming. Thank you all for watching this video. So this the code and idea have been taken from the website, or I must refer this includehelp.com CPP programs. The reference and credit goes to the real creator. Thank you all.